Hey, aloha. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today, I would like to update everybody on how my portfolio is doing. It's been a rough week for investors. Market was just crashing day after day. Hopefully, next week would be better. But again, I'm a long-term investor, so we're gonna get through this together. But anyway, welcome back. For those of you that are new to the channel, I do what they call a M1 Finance challenge, which is basically my challenge is to put at least $200 per month into the M1 Finance portfolio. Basically, what I'm trying to do is to show people that if you just commit and be consistent and commit to putting money into the stock market, eventually this portfolio will eventually grow, and then you will eventually have a much bigger portfolio. But it always starts with just getting in there and just starting. So hopefully, as you follow through my journey, that you'll be inspired to say, hey, you know what, I think maybe this might be the time to start investing. Again, before you invest, do your research first. Understand the companies that you are looking at. My mentality is always look for companies that you understand, companies that you use as a consumer, and then on. If you like the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Other than that, let's take a look at the portfolio. So basically, I use what they call M1 Finance. It's a great platform. Basically, if you look at it, these sectors I created these sectors to as a and to kind of organize it. But if we look at the overall portfolio, I was able to put a little bit of money in the side. 491 is basically the balance right now. I lost $27, down 19%. ETF, I'm down 10%. Basically on the red. VTI down 21%. So as you can see, my portfolio got hit. For real estate, overall I'm down 9%. Some of them was green today, so like Crown Castle, EQIX, Innovative Industrial Properties, which is up 24%. For technology, pretty much down 21%. Microsoft was green today, so which it was green up and down, but basically if you look at it, Cisco, my portfolio in the Cisco one was hit pretty hard with 53%. Nvidia was pretty good, 19% still. Is that technology? Yep. So bonds. So this was a good one for me. It was pretty much up. I think majority of the people that have bonds in their portfolio, the bonds usually goes up when the market goes down. Pretty much up. For healthcare, only down 7%. Abby was pretty good today. I like this company. They have great dividends. Right now, the average price that I have is $87. Great company to invest on. I like Abby. I got UNH, Cardinal Health, Pfizer. Pfizer was down 34%. So for my utilities, so here only 1% down. I got Duke, Next Era, American Water, and Southern Company. For financials, wow, look at that, 36% down. So MasterCard, Visa, American Express was down 45%. US Bank Corp was down 52%. And then my JP Morgan was down 43%. Morgan Stanley was 36%. So look at that, Wells Fargo is 55%. So the financials got hit. Consumer Defense, Costco, Target was up. I think today it was okay, but pretty much everything else was down. Walgreens, wow, 23%. McCormick was down 44%. So for my communication, overall this sector for me was down 7%. I got Verizon was down 23%. Shaw Communications 25%. But my Comcast was also down. And for my growth stock, I'm only down 2% in there. Shopify was up 74%. Tesla 329%. So this one was up. This is one of my companies that I like, the Trade Desk. Great company to invest on. Really like this company. It's a software. And then you got Roku, which I also like. But there's no dividends on this one. Industrial was down 25%. So I got Caterpillar. As you can see, Boeing was down 46%. 3M down 58%. So for my consumer, pretty much all red. Disney, so they recently have a new CEO for Disney. So I'm hoping that it'll be the same great company. I'm sure it will. I forgot the guy's name that's taken over, but I love Disney. I think it's a great company to invest on. And then you got the materials. Again, everything is all down. I'm down 20% on this one. And then finally you got energy, which is down 26%. So you got Chevron, Exxon, and BP. Yeah. For my activity, again, I just deposited $50. I'm still getting my dividends. So even though one thing great about having dividends investing is that regardless of how the economy or how the market is doing, you will still get dividends. As you can see, I'm still getting dividends, although it's 1 cent for each one. As I continue to make deposits, these dividends will increase. I didn't sell anything. I figured I'll just kind of hang on and see how it goes. Still continue to have 96 companies. So basically I'm down $40 altogether, down 7%. That's about it. So basically let's look at the dividend. So basically now I have a dividend of $2.63. Total gains down $27. And then my return is down 19%. So gonna weigh it out, continue to make deposits, and that's pretty much it. So I'm sure the economy will, the stock market will get back on track, and then I will continue to make my deposits and continue to invest, because the companies that I invest on, like I said, is companies that I like. that I use as a consumer. All right. Other than that, thank you for watching. Stay cool and continue to invest and hang in there, everybody. All right. Aloha.